In 2019, last year, I quit my job. It seemed like a good idea at the time. And I went and I bought this van secondhand. It's a 2015 Citroen Relay L3 H3. I spent 6 months converting it into a fully off-grid house on wheels. I've got solar, I've got hot water, I've got a shower, a toilet, a fixed double bed, everything you need to live in here full time. The van itself is in good condition, and everything I put in, I know where everything is, I know how to fix everything, and I know that everything's built to a high standard and to a really nice finish. It's exactly what I wanted and what I needed. I built the van with the intention of it being mine, but now I might go back to Africa, and in that case I really need a 4x4. This van is amazing, it's so ergonomic, it's exactly what I wanted for Europe with the heavy insulation and the instant hot water heater and the diesel heater. But yeah, if I go back to Africa, I feel like this is going to be a bit of a liability. This is more like a luxury tiny home. I'm just sort of playing with the idea, maybe converting a Hilux or something into a 4x4 camper, which is a lot more simplistic, a lot more functional, and not as sort of luxurious as this. I'm just putting it out there. I want to see what people might offer for the van. You can see all the specifications on my website, shurmashoots.com, and you can also watch my van build tutorials, which basically takes you through everything I've done. Make me an offer. So no, what's it worth? £100 million. Hashtag van tour. So in this one I've got like snacks and food and shoes and poo tickets and some bags. I haven't showered yet because I don't have hot water yet because I'm waiting for gas. So the toilet's just a Thetford porta potty. I haven't tested it out yet. This is the diesel tank from my Chinese diesel heater. So this drawer was actually salvaged off a rubbish pile. If I just take this picture off over there, and if I move these chopping boards, one inspection hatch over there and one little inspection hatch over there, and then I've got my sink over there. And if I need extra storage, then I can still pull out my dining table, and then I literally have space all around to kind of cook and prepare stuff. Over here we have full length closet. This is my main shut-off for all my electrics. This is my bedroom. I've got one control panel over here, and it's just for my LED light. I still have so much headroom. Loads of headroom. So the shower took me forever to build. Something I still want to do is put some eye bolts into the ceiling so that when I come in from a surf and I can't hang my wetsuits up outside, I can hang them up in here to dry. I've got 2 shower heads, a little handheld shower over there, but it's got really good reviews for emergencies.